for today, Miss Dương?
Alright, so to make a planet, we need a round balloon. Can you see? Yeah, what else? Here, 2 cocktail sticks and two sheets of cardboard, and here a lot of newspaper.
And for the tools, Miss Dương has prepared a watercolor and paintbrush, white glue, water, and scissors, compass, and what is this?
Which one?
Is it flour?
Okay, that's right.
What do we need flour for?
Can you guess what we will do with this?
That's difficult. Can Miss Dương give me a height?
Alright, so if you don't have white glue, we can use flour and water instead.
Flour next to the flour is water. I know. Flour is and water. When we mix them together, we will have a mixture. Children can use this nature glue to replace white glue, which is both safe and easy to find. Almost every household has flour, right, teacher?
Bingo!
Okay, so what are we waiting for? Let's get to work. I can't wait anymore. So, what do we do first, Miss Dương?
Alright, so firstly, we need to blow the balloon up. And remember, keep it not too big, just like a grapefruit like this. Alright, and then just tie it up to keep the air from escaping. So, can you help me?
Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, I think that's enough. Okay, and then tie it up like this.
A piece of cake. I like to blow up a balloon.
Okay, so now let's mix 2 bottles of white glue and a cup of water. Now let's do it like this. And it is easier for us to apply glue later.
It looks like milk.
Yes. Alright, it's also the reason why we call it gao sữa in Vietnamese. However, in this glue, it has no milk in it. Next, we use a brush or wet paper to sweep over the balloon. Now, here you are. Okay, Bảo Hà, can you hold it for me? Hold it for me. Yes, and then we'll stick the newspaper here. Oh, Bảo Hà, this mixture is quite safe for the skin, but remember, don't swallow or taste it.
Okay, I remember, Miss Dương. Do not taste or try to smell the white glue.
Yes, I help you.
Oh no, Miss Dương, you spread on my hand.
Oh, it's okay, don't worry. This glue contains mainly water, so we can wash it off with water, even when they're dry.
Miss Dương, we are going to cover the glue with newspaper.
Alright, you can press the surface with your fingers or your hand to make sure that it stays on the ball. Repeat until the paper covers the entire of the balloon.
Easy peasy. I only need 1 minute and 30 seconds to do it.
Alright, so by making 3 or 4 cups like this, we have completed up to 7 to 80% of the work. Remember that don't try to make it too thick. It will be more difficult for us to do the next step.
It's starting to look like a planet. However, its surface is so rich, Mr.
Don't worry, we will make our paper planet more lively. We will sweep white glue over the balloon one more time for the last coat. Then we can dry it in the sun for until it's dry. Remember to check and flip the ball so that our planet dries evenly. We also can use a hair dryer to make it dry faster. When the surface is dry, we can use a watercolor or paint for decorate.
Look, it's already dry. Can we decorate our planets, Miss Zoom?
Okay, so this is my favorite part. Do you like drawing, Bảo Hà?
I love it. We are making Saturn. What color is Saturn, Miss Zoom?
It's very hard to say exact color of it because the planet is formed from many elements. But the main color is brown and white, spots as layers of clouds. So let's make dark brown and white. Add a little bit of water to make the base color of the planet and paint it all over the ball. Yeah, mix until you have a light brown is okay, like this.
Now I'm ready to paint the Saturn.
Yes, let's go.
Finished the Saturn. Alright, Miss Zoom.
Oh no, Bảo Hà, Saturn is still missing one thing very special.
What's that?
Look at the picture of the Saturn. Can you guess?
Oh, I can see the thing surrounding the Saturn. What is that?
Yeah, this is the rings of the Saturn. The rings are made from many small ice particle, rocks or dust. That makes Saturn look special and different from other planets. Now, let's make the rings for the Saturn. In this step, we will do the same on both pieces of card. One piece for each of us. Now, let's do it together.
Okay.
It's for you. Okay, so we need a compass. Draw 2 concentric circles. The first one is about 16 centimeters in size and the second one is about 19 centimeters in size. Yes, like this. The first one. And now the second one. Now, your turn.
The first one. And the second one.
Yes. Okay, done. So now we will cut the second circle. Now here, the scissors. We cut off the first circle. Can you see?
Yes.
Now you straight vào ha. Okay, so now we are going to use these two sticks and then we break them into the sartan like this. Alright, so now your turn. Yes, okay, wait. Yeah, right. Yeah, ta-da! Alright, so this is our sartan.
That's awesome!
Bingo! We have finished!